This is Dr. Holbert with Holbert Family Orthodontics. As you know, these are very interesting times, and as you can see, we are not seeing any patients at this time. And as I know, most of you are probably stuck at home with your kids. Instead, I'm stuck at work with my kids. So we came up with an interesting thing to do. So come this way. We have a new toy at Holbert Family Orthodontics. This is our 3D printer. So over here, we've set it up. We've selected, your kids may be familiar with Brawl Stars. So each of my boys got to select a Brawl Star figure, which we are now actively printing on our printer. Unfortunately, we have about an hour and a half before this thing's done, so I still need to go grab some lunch and keep them busy today. But we will be showing you soon how this at-work school project turns out when our printed figurines are done. So coming next will be Spike and who's the other one, Carson?
Rico.
Rico. Spike and Rico are our two Brawl Stars who will be showing you how they finish up. So we'll catch you soon. We're out of school. We're having a lesson today on 3D printing. So we are printing Brawl Stars characters. Did you hit print?
Next. And then hit next or confirm. And then you're good to go.
So who did you print? Or who are we printing?
Spike. Rico.
And Rico.
Spike's
Spike
a cactus
and Rico.
dude who throws cactuses.
Okay. Unfortunately, it's about an hour and 40 minutes for us to get our Brawl Stars characters, but we got some homework done today, and we did some reading, and now we're going to eat something and come back and assemble our characters. So here we are, our printer in action, and we'll be back to see how they look when they're all done.